Hi, I'm Javier from HMI Automation, and today we're going to be learning how to communicate to a PLC. This video is one of many where we break down the steps of what it takes to do industrial controls and programming. We want to show you just how simple this process is, so that way, when you're following along on our future videos, or just out in the field working, you can use this video as a point of reference when it comes to learning PLC programming. Let's get started. Go ahead and open up your PC, and to start establishing communications, go to RSlinx. Make sure that your cable is plugged into the serial port on the PLC and that you have the USB plugged into your PC. Next, you're going to find the button that says Configure Drivers. This is where you can go to select the correct driver. There's another way to get here though. So this is the right driver. However, you can find it by clicking Communications, then clicking Configure Drivers. Today we're trying to configure to the RS232DF1 device. It's already been uploaded, so it's right here. Click on Configure. On this screen, there's two important pieces, the COM port and the Auto Configure button. Click on Auto Configure. If it says Auto Configuration Successful, you have successfully established communication to the PLC, and now you can begin programming in RSLogix 500. So go ahead and open up RSLogix 500 and get started. So just like that, you've communicated to the PLC. So if this video was helpful, or if you have more questions, be sure to let us know in the comments. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share this video. Oh, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks again for watching. Till next time.